Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System. Languages and input, virtual keyboard and keyboard that you're using. Go into Themes. Tap on yours and click on one of these themes, for example that one. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!